Well, what is it called? Build?
It's called the Guillotine.
Okay.
Because it'll choke your fucking ass out.
Yes, it will.
Or rip your head off. What we have in here is 9 Gately Audio Relentless Series 18-inch subwoofers, powered by 9 Gately Audio 7100s, wired at a half ohm on each sub. It's got a Warpath Energy 240 amp hour skib cell battery under the back of the truck. It's got 6 Gately Audio Class AB 4 channels running all these Gately prototype component speakers that we have in here. So we're getting there. It's got
all the tweeters, all the 3.5s.
Yeah, it's got 16 tweeters, it's got 8 3-inch, and it's got 8 or 16 8s.
And the other 8 8s are behind the seat.
Yeah, right back here. Jimmy likes a lot of highs. So
is this a 6th order?
This is a 4th.
Oh, it's a 4th order. Okay.
There's a 4th. 3 separate sealed chambers, so that if we have any issues, you
can address it accordingly.
Yeah. And we could phase align, but we weren't going to bother doing that until we get the subs broken in. We got about 3.5 hours of playtime on it so far.
Not enough.
Yeah, not enough to be ready to do any phase aligning stuff.
And so, what's this little doohickey thing right here?
This is a JL Audio Media Master 105. We really enjoy using this little gizmo. And I have the little JL DRC 205, and I 3D print this little fancy gizmo.
Okay.
Works really well, and I can have really good control. This is the sub, and this is the whole volume.
Oh yeah, that's definitely volume.
Yeah.
And AC and cool seats.
And cool seats.
And what do you have for alternators?
3 Brand X 320 amp alternators. Jonathan and I discussed what would be most appropriate for this application. He thought 320s would be best. We're charging at 15.4 volts, and it's doing really well.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, each sub's at half ohm on a 7100, correct?
Yes, sir.
Just too savage. Go ahead, get you some new glasses, but I am gonna see it with dude can it. I will applaud you if you manage. I now reside on the new planet, nigga. My